Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to change a camera on Omegle. So you want to talk with strangers, you want to meet strangers, you're gonna click here, video, accept these things, confirm and continue, and of course you're gonna say allow. Now I don't have a camera, so you ain't gonna see me, but you're gonna click here if you have multiple cameras, of course, and you're gonna go continue allowing. Access your camera and microphone on omegle.com. But if you want to change that, you're gonna go on manage, and when you go on manage, you're gonna see this option here, camera. Sites can ask to use your camera. When you select that, if you have multiple cameras, of course, you will be able to change them here. So that is a quick way on how to change a camera on Omegle so you can talk to strangers whenever you want it. Hope this helped you. Subscribe for more useful tips.